here in the 356 with Vicky, Michael, Sailors with Cars. Hopefully the volume will come through. That's the only problem using these GoPros is I still haven't got my adapter for the microphones. So I'm supposed to ask you first off from your husband the difference between a good Porsche and a bad Porsche. I'm not sure what that inside joke is.
So a good 356, let me start off with the bad. The bad 356 breaks down on the road. A good 356 breaks down in your driveway.
Ah, well there you go. Yes, that makes, wing windows. Awesome.
Oh yeah.
Love the wing windows. Who needs air conditioning when you have wing windows?
That's right, a little fresh air.
So, tell me, so you had a career, were you in accounting? Was that your background?
Yes, I'm a licensed CPA.
Okay.
And I started out of college working for the state of New Jersey in California. And then we got married, I moved to San Diego, and I started working in private industry and then public accounting. So I've been working in accounting as a CPA for about 32 years.
So I was going to ask, so you didn't have to put your career on the back burner for Mike's career. You were always able to continue working.
I did, but I also had to stay here. So for a lot of the times when he would, move to Rhode Island or Virginia, I stayed here because, trying to buy a house in California, you have to have two incomes.
Exactly.
So,
well, this is part of the things that I think people don't realize when it comes to any kind of Navy spouse is everybody thinks, well, I don't think everybody thinks of it, but I think the one thing they think about is deployments being separated, but I don't think they think about the other parts of separation and the choices you make to maintain the quality of life towards the end of your career that you have to make in the beginning, like separating for extended periods of time, longer than deployments, to stay in a place where the kids are in one place, they're going to one school or one area, and you're not shifting around every 3 years.
Yeah, those are the sacrifices that the family has to make. You have to make those decisions together. And, some families it makes sense for the wife to work, and others it makes sense for the wife to stay home, or the spouse, I should say, because today,
yes,
many people are married where the wife is in the Navy. So
exactly, true.
But it is a sacrifice that every member of the family makes, and it's not easy, and it's not for everybody.
No, and I want to talk. This is my third and last wife. It just had issues, some Navy related, some not, but a lot of people go through that.
Yeah.
And a lot of people get married and things just can't work out and they can't handle that separation, whatever it is. Yeah. Deployments, weeks gone, or having to shift places altogether like you did. Yeah. Man, that's great that you guys were able to do that. Married how long? 30?
We've been married for 28 years. We dated 2 years before we got married. And what's interesting is we got engaged as he left for his third deployment. He was an ensign. And he deployed in June, and Desert Storm happened. Saddam Hussein invaded Kuwait in August.
Oh, that's where he told me he did the back-to-back deployments.
Right. So yeah, he left for 6 months. We were engaged. Ultimately, he was gone for 10. So that was a bit of a challenge, but you work through it. And I didn't know. People ask me, how do you do it? I don't know any different. So for me, it was a commitment, and it was sacrifice. But I didn't know any different. I didn't know what to expect being married and having somebody home 7 days a week.
True. And my wife kind of went through, of course, she married me at the very end of my career, so she went through one deployment, but she'll tell you that really that was enough for her.
Yeah.
She didn't enjoy the separation at all, and I get that. And she was, lucky's not the right word, but the timing was, that was my last deployment and my last 2 minutes in the Navy, so it worked out for us. Now, children, you've got 2 grown children?
We have 2 grown children.
We're going to go left, sorry.
Okay, we have a daughter who is 24, going to be 25 here shortly. And she just graduated from Point Loma, Nazarene, with a special ed teaching credential. So we're very happy for her and proud of her. She is going to be starting to teach with the San Diego Unified School District this summer.
Oh, kids, have you guys always lived in the same location since you've been in San Diego?
The kids and I were always here, with the exception of one tour that we did in Italy for 3 years.
I was hoping you would bring that up. Yes, the 3-year Italy tour. So that's one thing about being a Navy dependent spouse. However, that you get the opportunity. Not everybody, but those opportunities do arise. And you got a great one where you got to go to Italy. Where were you guys in Italy?
We were in Gaeta. Best tour in the military and in the Navy, for that matter. It was a medieval fishing village where the flagship was stationed, the USS LaSalle. And Destroyer Squadron 60 was a squadron that was part of World War II that they kind of shut down, and they restood it up in 2002. And so my husband was one of the people that helped to stand that up. So we moved over there for 3 years, and I wasn't able to get a work visa as a military spouse, but I just did consulting work for Deloitte and their clients while I was overseas. So that was a nice opportunity, and the kids and I had a great opportunity to travel. So we did a lot of travel together, and then on certain occasions, our husband was, or Mike was able to join us.
Nice.
Yeah, so it was a great year. We lived out of a suitcase, a great tour. We lived out of a suitcase for 3 years. It was great.
The kids went to school on base?
There was no base. It's a building essentially. So you live out on the economy, which was very interesting to us. We didn't want to move from the U.S. right to a military environment, just because that really wouldn't give you an opportunity to experience the culture where you're going to move to. So it was great for us. We lived out of the economy. Our daughter went to a DoD school. Our son went to Italian school.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So they start kindergarten a little earlier in Italy. They started 4. So his first school was a little elementary school in Formia, and he was one of 2 English-speaking children in the entire school. And he didn't know Italian when he started, so a little bit sad and scary at the same time for us both.
So they taught Italian?
They did. Everything, total immersion in Italian.
Wow, and he speaks it today?
He doesn't speak Italian. He can understand it. But he is fluent in Spanish, which romance language makes sense. So.
Sure. Nice. Nice. That would have been a great tour.
Yeah.
Stacy and I, we love Italy.
Yeah, it's fabulous.
We did our honeymoon. We honeymooned in Italy, and we did a family vacation in Italy 2 years ago.
Nice. What part?
We went to Umbria.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we had a beautiful time there. We had a villa. There was her mom and dad, myself, her brother, his wife. We had a good time.
That's the way to do it. Just immerse yourself in the culture, no matter where you travel. That's the best way to experience.
This has been an awesome ride along. The car is, you just don't need to talk about it because it just talks about itself. Rides smooth, runs great. It's beautiful inside.
It's super fun to drive.
I'll bet it is. I'll bet it is.
It's not super fast, but it's fun to drive.
Don't need super fast. Now, do you guys rally with, you said you belong to a local 356 club?
We belong to the Southern California 356 Club. We haven't done too many rallies here in town. We go to the North meets South up at Paso Robles every year, which is super fun. All the Porsche 356s really from the the West Coast meet in Paso Robles. And so there's wine tasting, car rallies, car show. It's a lot of fun.
Beautiful. Well, once again, thanks again for letting us ride your 356. And we'll wrap this up. Vicky's been with us today, Sailors with Cars. We'll see you back in the garage in a minute. All right, back in the garage, Michael, Sailors with Cars. Remember, if you wouldn't mind, subscribe to the channel, Michael, Sailors with Cars, Michael at Sailors with Cars, SailorswithCars.com. Check us out. We're looking, veterans, active duty, retired, firemen, policemen. If you've got a car that you'd like to share, a story you'd like to share, come down to the garage. We'll do your car. We'll interview you. Vicky was nice enough to come up today. And of course, Vicky, thank you.
Thank you.
Of course, you get the Sailors with Cars cover.
Awesome.
Yeah, beautiful car. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks everybody for watching. And we'll see you next time. Sailors with Cars.